I'm second best, someone that you could forget. Got me drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling. Will you be the time, giving me the signs of life? Making you
Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Shooting Star. You're here with me Priya. Today I'm in a happening place which is located in Phoenix Market City, Whitefield, and that is Lord of Rings. So friends, in Bangalore, looking out for a place to party, definitely I would recommend Lord of Rings. Your Saturdays or your Friday nights is going to be astonishing with your friends if you visit here. It's a very affordable place to party and enjoy. Let's get in and have a look. Come over. Let me show you the ambience inside.
feeling like I'm second best, someone that you could forget. Got me drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling. Will you be the time, giving me the signs of life? Making you clear that you're gonna leave me in the deep. Will you be the time, giving me the signs of life?
So viewers, I'm at Lord of Rings, another entrance which is right through within the mall. So I'm at Phoenix Mall now, and there is an entry given to us for its comfort entry where you can get in through the mall, and so you can just enjoy your night out parties and everything. So the entry, there are like two. One is the other entry which I just walked in, which is on the side entrance of the outer place of the Phoenix Mall, and this is the entry through the mall. So friends, when it comes to food at Lord of Rings, they serve the amazing food and they have the best chefs out who are appointed here. So they also promoting foods like Korean food, Italian, Japanese and Chinese food very soon. And the food that you're getting here is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to take you through a tour for a kitchen and let's see what all dishes are given to us.
चिकन बनाने जा रहे हैं। अब इसका रेसिपी के बारे में सब बताने जा रहे हैं कैसे बनते हैं। इसमें थोड़ा जिंजर गार्लिक डाल दिया, ड्राई रेड चिली डाल दिया और इसमें आपका पीनट डाल दिया और उसके बाद थोड़ा चिली पेस्ट ऐड करेंगे, इसमें चिली पेस्ट और थोड़ा केचप ऐड कर देंगे और थोड़ा लाइट सोया सॉस, इसमें थोड़ा डार्क सोया सॉस डाल दिया और इसमें थोड़ा वैसा से यूज करके थोड़ा डाल दिया। इसमें अजीनोमोटो यूज नहीं होता, इसमें अजीनोमोटो नहीं जाता और ये डाल दिया। डाल दिए
Welcome to Lord of Dream. Lord of Dream. We are a chef's manager. So this is a general manager, Dushen, Mr. Dushen. He is handling this full property. So I am executive here. My name is Prashant Thapa. So please come and visit Lord of Dream. We are making tasty food.
So viewers, I hope you all had a look in the kitchen. So there were like colorful dishes that were specially made for me. And so I have all these yummy looking multi-cuisine dishes right in front of me. I'm first of all going on with the non-veg dish, which is the most going to be on my plate with these yummy looking masala onions. And yes, they've given me some nice pudina sauce. So the chicken is absolutely yummy. It's soft. It's got that malai and the butter flavor absolutely mixed perfectly. And they've charred it to the perfect consistency. The char level is also that absolute awesome. And it's got the perfect consistency of salt, ginger, garlic, the lime that's been added to it, along with the pudina chutney they have given me. It's a perfect combination, guys. This is what you require if you're coming out for a non-veg dish. So viewers, I have this degi kebab now that's coming onto my plate. The chef has specially decorated it for me with the rose petals on top. They look absolutely amazing. Let's taste it. Vegetarians, I'm sure you will love this dish. The paneer is really soft and it's cooked well. And the outer cover which is given to it, it's marvelous, guys. The green dish, which is the cheese balls, and it's my favorite. Cheese and me, we are like always okay for anything, anytime, especially when it comes to different forms of cheese. It's got that, you know, the puffy consistency which is crispy. So I'm breaking it open, and also I want to definitely taste it with some special onion and jalapeno sauce that's given to me. So yes, let's go ahead and taste it. The stuff which is given to you in the form of a sauce, the mixture, and you have the crispy cheese ball. The cheese flavor absolutely gets gelled with the sauce, and I'm loving it. It's very nice. So let's go ahead and taste the falafel. I'm going with one of the specially handmade baked bread and some cheese, potato mash, and some salad. The falafel that's given to me, it's crispy, it's hot, and the paste that is mixed inside, it's really tasty. So the amount of ginger garlic that's given in it, or the amount of the chana dal that's been put in order to make it a solid consistency, it's perfect. You don't find it overpowering the other. It's too good. And coming to the potato mash, it's a kind of a mash with a hummus kind of a combination. So they've mixed both along with olives in it. It's giving a total different taste. It's great, guys. Food is really good at Lord of the Rings.
Welcome to the Lot of the Drink. My name is Vimal Singh Bora. I am working here as a bartender. So today I'll make some mocktails, especially of Lot of the Drink.
So viewers, when it comes to a pub, so the main thing that we look at is the mocktails and the cocktails that they serve us. So when it comes to Lord of Drinks, I think they have a very attractive bar. So I have a drink that is called as White Horse, which is a combination of soda, and you have the flowers and lavender flavors in it. And it is also a combination of some apple. They have the lovely decorated fruit that's kept on the glass. So let's go ahead and take a sip. Cheers. It's got that flavor of a lavender syrup that's mixed with the juice, and the aerated drink that is served with soda is really amazing, guys. The drink like this before the starters would be the apt one. So friends, I have a cocktail which is a combination of tequila and a grapefruit juice. So cheers. Tequila is absolutely mixed well. The combination with the egg, the white egg added onto it, gives in a lovely flavor. You can never make out that there is a raw egg added onto it, but it's absolutely lovely. So friends, when you come to Lord of Drinks, it is luxury with an affordable price. So I have my dinner right in front of me, and that is pasta penne, some butter garlic naan, and also vegetable handi that's been served to me. So let's get in and rock eating it. So friends, they've given me the pasta penne with the arrabbiata sauce on it. It looks really lovely with some yummy small tomatoes garnished with cheese. So pasta is my anytime favorite. I'm a foodie. I just love eating. And especially the food at Lord of Drink meets their maximum level. I've had the best experience when it comes to food here. So I have a garlic bread that's been nicely thawed with some butter. Very delicious, guys. I love pasta, and they've served it to the best. Garlic naan that's been given to me. It's fresh and hot. They've got some nice garlic toppings that's been put on the roti, the tandoor roti. and they have given me this yummy looking vegetable handi. So it's a bowl full of mixed vegetables that's with capsicum, paneer, and different flavors of vegetables added. So it's absolutely lovely. There's some coriander leaves that's added on the roti, which is giving it an additional flavor. And the handi gravy, it's got a nice creamy cashew nut paste that's mixed on the gravy. It's absolutely delicious, guys. It's worth coming over to Lord of Drinks for your food. Bring in your families. It's an absolute place to party in. And I would also love to kind of tell you that there is a DJ night that has been put out here every single day. So they have their Hollywood nights and their Bollywood nights. And sometimes, yes, the local numbers are also played, wherein we are all from Karnataka and we are Kannada song lovers, as well as some Telugu numbers that's been played.
ए मुंडे पागल ने सारे गल्लां वड्डियां वड्डे दार उमर दी हौली अड़िए तू नी बच पे टक विच केड़ी सुत्ती ए मुंडे पागल ने सारे गल्लां वड्डियां वड्डे दार उमर दी हौली अड़िए तू नी बच पे ई देसी मुंडियां दे सोने पादे कोई हाथ तेरी कमर पे मैं स्टेप्स को हल्के हल्के call me when you want call me when you need call me in the morning I'll be on the way चलते रहे वो चलते तेरे हाथ से काम न चल के call me when you want call me when you need call me I'll be on it I'll be on the way oh देसी जगी दा ट्रैप दी बीट आ सर काट ते स्पीकरां च ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ दारू बदनाम करती ए काना ते हाथ दी कार दारू बदनाम करती ए तारे ना ते हम ते करे I got you moonlight you're my starlight I need you all night come on dance with me I got my peaches out in Georgia oh yeah shit I get my weed from California that's that shit I took my chick up to the north yeah badass bitch I get my light right from the source yeah that's it go
Such a fun-filled evening at Lord of Drinks. I had a lovely time eating, dancing, talking along with so many friends of mine. It was an amazing experience. So do stay tuned in to watch more videos on my channel Shooting Star. Thank you for subscribing. See you. Bye-bye.